Now we are doing the Face ID error, same like this. If showing this for error, we can fix it. If you don't have the original flags for a speaker, we can fix it with the new cable. No need the original cable, we can repair True Tone. Also for Face ID, we can fix it. Before showing, now you can see this showing the error. Trying to setting up, because this one the flex change already. Now we can fix for this one. Okay, we can do it. Now finish the error. Starting, finish the error. Let me check. For Face ID, working. Now have the big update for that one. Like, it's working fine.